Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentary on Wednesday, March the 2nd. Thanks for joining us here as we look at what's happening in the markets today. Export sales are out 39.7 million bushels of corn, beans at 16.2 million bushels, and wheat at 26. All these were within the range of estimates, and not much in the way of surprises there. No export private sale announcements this morning to speak of. Couple news items that should catch your trade attention this morning is we've heard anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 trucks are having problems transporting grain in Brazil. Heavy rains have fallen in parts of this country, and it hasn't really disrupted harvest, but it is disrupting transportation there, and that could lead to renewed U.S. export sales for soybeans. So let's keep an eye on that if that does happen, as they are not able to ship as many soybeans as previously had believe. So that should be a positive development. We've been talking about the renewable fuel standards and waivers being granted and some changes being made. We talked, there's rumors out there, and where there's smoke, there's fire. And there was a Bloomberg story last night that we may see additional information. White House officials now confirm that they've been talking with Carl Icahn over the last 2 days to get his input on changing some of the status. So that is a positive development, I think, as well. Crop insurance rates have been set, and they are much higher for soybeans than they were a year ago. Look at my notes here. Soybeans at 10.19. Last year we were at 8.85. Hard red spring at 5.65 versus 5.13 a year ago, and corn at 3.96. That's about a dime higher than last year. We are down a little bit in the overnight. It'll be interesting to see if the funds step back in and buy it in here. They've been buyers on Tuesday pretty aggressively, Wednesday pretty aggressively, so wouldn't be surprised to see another round of buying this morning once the 8:30 markets reopen. Now, in the livestock trade, the Fed Cattle Exchange rallied cash trade up to about 125, and that is exactly in line with where the Southern Plains traded at. There was bids at 125 passed early in the day, but after the futures broke, we saw those bids accepted, and we did see some trade at 125 in the Plains, so that's steady with a week ago. I don't look for April to sell off much, as we're already holding a big discount to that cash trade. Futures in the 117 area, likely open a little bit lower this morning, but should be fairly well supported unless cash is going to break hard, and probably not going to happen in the next 2 weeks anyway, as supplies are going to remain very tight. All right, check us out on Twitter, Midwest Markets, and if you have any questions, as always, contact me. This has been Brian Hoops, Midwest Market Solutions. We'll talk to you again soon. Have a great day.